Alright, students, so today we are going to be working on past WAEC questions. So the first question I have here says 2 raised to the power of 3x equals to 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4. And we're asked to solve for the value of x. So to solve this type of question, the first thing to do is to make sure that you have equal bases. So as in this case now, the base here is 2, while the base here is 16. So the first thing I'm going to do is to say 2 raised to the power of 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 4. That means 2 in 4 places will give us 16 times 3 all over 4. So now we have 2 raised to the power of 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. 4 we cancel 4. So from here, since the bases are equal, we just equate the powers. Equate the powers. Okay, so the power here is 3x, while the power here is also 3. So from here we divide both sides by 3, and now we have 3 all over 3, and x equals to 1. Thank you.